Yo, what's good everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JP back with another video. You already know today I'm back with a Threadbeast unboxing. Now today's unboxing is a little bit different. I do have a basic box today because I did cancel my premium subscription. If you guys are looking to buy one of these, don't use that as a reason not to get one. I simply just stopped just because I did buy a car, which I will link that video at the end of this one. I did buy a car and I just really need the money right now. Eventually, I hope to redo my subscription and continue with doing Threadbeast unboxings. But right now, it's just better for myself to save that $135 a month and put that towards something of better value to myself. So yeah, today's a basic box, which is I believe $55. And the only one thing that I did want to mention is that I tried to cancel my subscription, and Threadbeast said that it was past a certain point where I have to cancel it 10 days after I get my last box. Otherwise, I automatically get charged. Even though I hadn't been charged for this box yet, they automatically said that I couldn't cancel it, which kind of pissed me off, I'm not going to lie.
Why?
And I went back and forth on email with them for a long time. I'm like, listen, like, I've endorsed your company a lot. You've got a lot of people off of me. Like, a lot of people have told me they bought boxes, used my code. Like, I've gotten a lot of free boxes from people using my code. I'm like, cut me a break. Like, I've done a lot for this company that, like, isn't even sponsored. Like, not even sponsoring me. And they're kind of like, yeah, it's tough shit. The best thing you can do is we can dumb it down to the basic box instead of the premium box. So here we are with the basic box today. Those of you that watch my channel all the time, I know I'm sorry that I won't be doing Threadbeast boxes. I know a lot of people like these. It's just that I'm going to make something better. I'm going to do better content. Right now it's really hard. I'm going to be working long hours soon. And I'm going to be trying to at least get 1 or 2 videos out a week. But yeah, hang in there. Bear with me because I know it's a long intro. But bear with me because I'm just trying to figure some things out right now. So yeah, bear with me. But without further ado, sorry for that long intro. Let's get right into this. Basic box. Now, I'm hoping maybe like a hat, maybe some shorts, like some like running shorts or like athletic shorts they're called. I'm hoping like less t-shirts just because I get so many t-shirts. But most likely going to be a lot of t-shirts in here. So yeah, let's open this up. Give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. Oh, something hard. Maybe slides? Looks like we got some slides in here, guys. We do, actually. That's kind of dope. Right on the top, you guys can see that. They're upside down. It does say Pink Dolphin. Yo, these are kind of fire. I kind of like these, actually. I actually do like the color of these. They actually feel pretty soft, too. Just another pair of slides, like, I don't need, but another pair of slides that I'll definitely wear. Just slip on and wear them.
No.
I will be trying everything on at the end of this video as well, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Looks like I have 2 shirts and then a pair of either shorts or pants. I can't tell. This is I've never heard of this before, Matex. Let me know in the comments if you guys have heard of this brand before. Personally, I haven't. It's literally just a cactus with Matex or something. Yeah, Matex underneath it. So yeah, let me know if you guys have heard of that before in the comments. Up next, we do have this. This is going to be a Us versus Them shirt. I do actually like this company. A couple of things that I have from them I do actually wear quite often. So this is their logo right there, the palm tree and the machete. I have one shirt that is like the whole back is that, and like the palm tree and the machete logo, and that's super dope. I wear that shirt all the time. On the front here, it's like a camo almost. I actually have a pair of like Timberland boots that this would match perfectly with. That I might actually put that fit together one day with a pair of like khakis or something like that, maybe, or a pair of jeans. But yeah, this is a decent shirt, not terrible. And up next we do have, whoa, these are weird feeling. We do have a pair of black pants. Just all black pants. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, that's the end of this box here. Let me get this box out of my way really quick. Also, if you guys didn't watch my Danny Duncan mystery box, make sure you go and watch that and enter the giveaway because I am giving away a Virginity Rocks tee. So make sure you guys go and enter that because you could win this t-shirt for free. Anyways, back to what I was saying. This is a Lux Sport for All Mankind pair of pants here. Never heard of these before, but they're super soft, like stretchy material. So I think these are like almost like a sport jean, I guess. I don't know. I will be trying everything on, like I said, but nothing in this box like matches. Like usually they give you a couple things that like match, like a shirt that would match these slides, but they didn't, which is kind of weird, honestly. Yeah, but oh wait, these are Paxton, right? Is this how the company is spelled? Paxton, P-A-X-T-Y-N. I don't know if it'll focus or if you guys can even see that. Hopefully my camera's not blurry today, but I think these are Paxton. I'll look it up, see what these go for. I'll throw it up on the screen as well, but yeah, let's try this stuff on. Alright, Joe, so your boy got the us versus them shirt on. As you guys can see, pretty simple tee. Just has the us versus them right here in the like camo almost. The black shirt. Us versus them is pretty good quality usually. I believe that's just a little logo right here. And yeah, it's a pretty nice shirt. Nothing I'd go out of my way to wear, but like I said, I might put this together with one of these. I don't know, yeah, you guys can definitely not see that, but I'm not going to take them out because I just don't feel like it at this certain time. But it'll match with those pretty well, and I probably will end up putting that together like on a fall day where it's like kind of cool where I can wear pants but also want to wear a t-shirt. Yeah, so let's try this other shirt really quick. Alright, Joe, now that I got this on, y'all can see, super simple. It's literally just a white tee, cactus, says Matix on it, I think it's called. I don't remember if there's anything on the back, to be 100% honest.
No.
I'll probably just throw this in a bag, to be honest. Under my bed I have like a huge like thing of clothes that I've gotten from Threadbeast that I haven't worn. Stuff that I'm probably going to bring to like a pawn shop or something like that. If you guys are doing Threadbeast, the first like 3, you wear all of it, and then after that you start to get so much clothes that you're like, what the hell do I do with this? Which is why I'm kind of glad that I'm canceling it, only because I have so much from them. So if you're doing this for like a couple, like 3 or 4 months, it's worth it. And if you get stuff you like, it's definitely worth it. But if you're getting stuff that you wouldn't wear necessarily, it's definitely not worth it. Occasionally I'll still get things that I'm like, oh yo, I'm definitely going to wear this, and I'll put it over in my closet, up with my sweatshirts, if it's a shirt or something like that. But most of the time it's stuff like this to where I probably won't wear it, and I'll probably just throw it in that bag to bring to a pawn shop eventually. Or not a pawn shop, like whatever it is, the clothes place. Is that a pawn shop? I don't even know. Alright, Joe, I'm going to try these pants on quick. Alright, Joe, so you guys cannot see yet, but I do have these pants on now. They fit a little bit baggy, which I don't like. I don't like when my clothes fit baggy. Then you already know I got the ugly ass slides on, bro. Absolutely atrocious. Not even gonna lie, you guys like my toes, you know what I'm saying? These are horrible. Like, and I don't know how to put it. Like, I think that they're kind of cool. Like, the color's cool and all. But the freaking comfortableness of these is horrible, bro. It's like digging into my toes. Definitely will never be wearing these hose in my life, you know what I'm saying? It's just horrible. Sorry if my camera was just upside down right there, but I ain't never gonna be wearing those, bro, you know what I'm saying? Those are just horrible. Probably something I'll bring to the pawn shop, if that's what it's called. Something I'll probably give it up for like $5 there, just because I will never wear them. So yeah, let's get to the outro, I guess. Alright, Joe, so if you guys made it all the way to this point in the video, make sure you let me know by going into the comments and commenting, them slides are gas. Go comment, them slides are gas, or those slides are gas. Just so that we throw some people off that didn't make it to this point in the video where they're like, those are absolutely horrible. I want to kind of, you know, let those people know, like,
Your mom's a hoe.
For not making it, you know what I'm saying? If you don't make it to this point in the video, like, you're not even a real one, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you're watching this right now, you're a freaking real one. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we're family now, bro. If you made it to this point in the video, we are literally family now, okay? So yeah, honestly, not a good box, in my opinion. The shirts, okay. The pants, don't like them. The slides, don't like them. Waste of $55? Probably. But it does help somebody out there make that decision whether they want a basic box, a premium, a middle, whatever the fuck it's called.
Watch your profanity.
But yeah, like I said, make sure you guys go enter the Danny Duncan mystery box giveaway. Make sure you say, I want the giveaway, this thing, and then bash. Okay, that's gonna give you 2 entries. I said that in the end of my one video and the end of my Danny Duncan video, and a lot of people just said I want the giveaway. So make sure you comment I want the giveaway dash bash. Okay, that will let me know that you guys made it to the end of this video or that video, and you guys get 2 entries in the giveaway instead of 1. So yeah, make sure you guys go and do that. Also, a couple more videos on my car coming up. If you guys are unfamiliar, I do have a Ford Mustang GT. I just got it, and I'm going to be doing some things to it. Some wheel spacers, probably new paint, like a black stripe up it, a bigger wing, like a bigger spoiler, some other little things as well. So make sure you guys are paying attention to what I'm posting, and if you guys are interested in that, of course. But yeah, make sure you guys are staying tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, stay hype. Peace.